Where did John Abraham disappear, bro? Suddenly?
August 15 is coming, so will John Abraham.
With Satyameva Jayate 3?
Hopefully not,
Yeah.
but with Veda.
वादा किया था तथास्तु.
I think, is it the remake of our Shivanna movie?
I mean, the teaser gave the vibes,
Okay.
and the plot seemed similar from the looks of the teaser.
If
but
it's
I
a
don't
remake, A, guys, Bollywood, are you not understanding what is the trend? And two, what is your obsession with Veda? Anything South India comes up with Veda, Vikram. Like, सब लेते हो यार, Veda से क्या मतलब क्या है ये? Okay, this is too early to jump to a conclusion. But yeah, hello guys, welcome to. Hello guys, welcome to India Today Sosa. This is Maruti Acharya.
And I am Sanjay Ponnappa.
And welcome to another episode of So South Reacts.
Intro हक दिए ना.
नहीं रे, फ्लो इधर उधर हो सकता है. कर बोल.
Hello and welcome to another episode of So South Reacts. I am Sanjay Ponnappa.
And this is Maruti Acharya.
And today we are reacting to the official trailer of Veda starring John Abraham, Sharvari, Abhishek Banerjee.
Starring John A. Sharvari, Abhishek B. Nikhil A.
Nikhil Advani, Abhishek Banerjee, compounder from Mirzapur, and John Abraham, Sharvari, who's recently got a lot of traction from the super hit film Munjia.
That fella's music.
And there's also Tamanna, I think.
Another song.
No,
Dance number. Then why wouldn't they put Tamanna name in the first place?
there is one more person.
Tamanna.
Tamanna. I know where Tamanna is featuring.
Obviously, you spoke to her. Excited kid.
Yeah.
Okay, so this movie is coming on August 15th and the trailer dropped
Independence
yesterday.
Day.
Yes, obviously, I don't want it to be another Satyameva Jayate, but let's see what this trailer is offering us. So, without any delay, let's start.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् धर्मस्य.
Are you tired by this intro for trailers?
श्रीजाम्याम्.
This music finds so similar weight.
जब जब
Some Anirudh music only this is.
तब तब मैं धर्म की रक्षा करूंगा.
कोई तो रक्षक चुनी होगी.
अच्छा.
मैया रानी हम सबरे वास्ते.
મને નહીં જાવે કોઈ રક્ષક કર હો કોઈ ऐसा जो पैर रेतलवाने लोहे का तवा बना दे.
मेजर अभिमन्यु कन्वर 11 गोरखा राइफल्स के अफसर को ऑर्डर्स ना मानने के लिए तुरंत कोर्ट मार्शल का निर्देश देता है.
एक को सिर्फ एक का साथ मिल जाए तो वो अकेला नहीं रहता.
सीधा चलने में 2 हफ्ते लगेंगे.
मैं तो 2 साल तक यही हूँ. आपका ट्रांसफर हो रहा है.
छलांग मारना आता है.
मना किया था ना, क्यों आए हो?
वादा किया था.
जात पात के प्रबंध का मैं भी सम्मान करता हूँ. यही सृष्टि का विधान है. ये सारे नियम कानून उसने बनाए हैं.
Nice drama, bruh. Interesting.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की कसम.
A little bit inspired from Jawan लग रहा है.
सीधे अरेंजमेंट क्यों नहीं समझा?
झगड़ना नहीं आता मुझे. सिर्फ जंग लड़नी आती है.
This is intense.
सुनो यह जंग.
Okay, a good comeback. Yeah, a good comeback for John Abraham. Tadastu. So much is happening, bro.
Of course. I'm shocked how Nora is not there.
ये नहीं छूटेगा.
Leo.
लड़के हारना चाहती हूँ.
Do you feel that this is a dub? They are copying Veda from Kannada.
See, the reason why I see possibility of it is because we've seen Bhagi franchise. Simple, nice, cute story. They will make it some Iran-Iraq war and then... But the point is still same. So I can see the possibility, but I see possibility of it being a little different also.
Yeah, it feels like they've rearranged the characters.
Yeah.
The conflict still remains the same.
And also the name.
Of course, the name, but the main conflict is same. But then the characters, the character relationships, all of that has been rearranged. Their background stories.
Correct.
But the main conflict remains.
The conflict is same. The character designing is Bollywoodized. The presentation and character design is a little Bollywoodized.
I wouldn't even say this is standard Bollywood. I mean, it started off like a standard Bollywood. That's why I said I'm tired of that, opening mantra in the trailer.
I think
At side time, I feel like you can
more in
try
South
different.
India, not Bollywood.
No, I feel like it's more in Bollywood masala films.
Mention
I
your
feel
opinion
like
when
the
it
South
comes to-
Indians have moved ahead from it.
Okay.
Now it's the jump cut, bang bang matching edits.
But it was very refreshing to.
Yeah, as it went on, again, this is a long trailer.
Yeah,
It's
very
a really long trailer. 3 minutes.
10 seconds.
In today's time, that is a long trailer. It feels like they went old school, but it was good the way they, the backstory, what the backstory is going to be like, what the relationship is going to be like. We have an idea of what the film is going to be like.
Yeah.
Now. And now, if we watch it, it is to only get more invested, and if the makers successfully executed it, it will be only to get more invested in the film and the characters. This seems like it is a character-driven thing.
Correct.
Because whatever the character is going to go through is how the conflict is going to get established. So that has been done well in the trailer. The music, although it was mediocre, as it went on, it started suiting the whole thing. So
It was suiting, but it very much from the start, I felt like it's one Anirudh music that was ringing Leo music or something.
sound design Manoj Sikka. But music, it seemed mediocre, but it suited well, which means that the editing was good.
Yeah.
So Mahir Zaveri.
So overall about the trailer, what my opinion is, the visuals are good. The presentation kinda looks a little fresh and the emotion looks strong, which is very, very important for movies like this. So I am really looking forward. It's fun. Like, seeing John Abraham out of the Satyameva Jayate, something different. I like. You got excited singing an item song, bruh. But yeah, like that should be there. That Nora, what is this girl? Mauni Roy, yeah? Mauni Roy. Because Tamanna is now the lead cast now, so somebody
Tamanna
else
is
will
in a
play.
cameo. I'm pretty sure it will be a very small role.
Yeah.
The wife that died.
The reason why he is court-martialed. Some Main Hoon Na Sunil Shetty flashback.
Probably.
Yes. So, did you like the trailer or not?
I liked it. It impressed me more as it went on. That is why I like it.
It didn't start well, but it definitely ended well.
So that is our reaction for the trailer of Veda. We are still not decided. We are undecided whether this is
A remake
or not.
Watch the trailer. It's on Z Studios official channel. And you mention all the Kannadiga Shivanna fans. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೂವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. Alright, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Alright, ಮುಗ್ಸೋಣ. Well, that was our reaction to the trailer of Veda, starring John Abraham, Sharvari in the lead, directed by Nikhil Advani.
This is Maruti Acharya.
Yeah, somehow the ending isn't landing today.
Yeah.
And I am Sanjay Ponnappa.
And you're watching India Today, So South.